Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see the solution for the second subdivision in question 5 from exercise 5.3. So differentiate x bar x with respect to x log x. So first we will differentiate the function x bar x, keep it aside, then differentiate x log x and keep it aside. Then we will write the function of differentiated value of this divided by this. That will give you the answer, required answer. So let's treat this x bar x as a function, say y. So y is equal to x bar x. So let's take log on both sides. So taking log, so log y is equal to x log x. Now I'm going to do the actual differentiation on both sides. So differentiating with respect to x. So this will become 1y dy by dx is equal to, this will become x by x plus log x. UV method where u is x and log x is my v. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x, the whole thing into y, which is nothing but x bar x. So this is the final answer for differentiation of x bar x. Now let's keep this aside. We are going to differentiate x log x. So this is going to be directly uv. So x log x, if you differentiate, I'm treating this as u and this as v. So it is x by x plus log x, which on simpler terms is 1 plus log x. Now what was the required term? Differentiating this expression with this. So the differentiation of this function divided by the differentiation of this function gets my required answer. So it is x bar x into 1 plus log x, the whole thing divided by 1 plus log x. So this whole term 1 plus log x and 1 plus log x will get cancelled. So the final answer is x power x. In the next video, we will see solutions from exercise 5.4. See you in the next video. Bye.